How to fix Gcash transaction limit exceeded. Now, first thing you want to do is to pull up your Gcash app and then enter your PIN, your 4-digit PIN, and then you log into your account. Now, make sure you have sufficient fund on your Gcash balance and just do basic troubleshooting first. If there is a system down or there is a system maintenance going on, if you haven't really like massive transactions per month. If I'm not mistaken, the first time you use Gcash is you will have at least 100k transaction limit per month. Now, you can also increase your transaction limits. You'll just have to wait for about 3 working days. So from 100,000 to 500,000. You can also go ahead and do your research under the help topics. You can check how you can increase your Gcash wallet and transaction limits. And if you wanted to upgrade your transaction limit from 100k to 500, you just have to make sure that your Gcash app is fully verified, your Gcash account is fully verified. And if you did not really made 100k plus transactions in a month, you can go ahead and chat with GG, connect to their customer service, and make a ticket out of it. So that's how you can troubleshoot on fixing transaction limit exceeded.